not going to say I told you so, but I did tell you so. It's raining again, and it's quite cold. British weather is amazing. But that doesn't mean that we still can't do some things in the greenhouse. There's still bits and bobs that we can get done. Like, shut that door. I still think it's interesting that even though the weather is the way it is, people will still come out and try to do a little bit of something. Beginning of March, it's dropped cold again and it's thrown it down outside. But we're still in greenhouse, thinking of what we can actually do, which is a positive thing. You have to bear in mind as well that everything that you plant, everything that you grow is your accomplishment and leads to you getting free food. When you consider the current climate as well, with food prices going through the roof and showing no signs of coming down anytime soon, I think that 2022 is the year for anybody that's ever considered maybe growing their own produce to actually put that plan into action now, because the more money that we can save growing our own food, the better. Reduce our cost of living ourselves, because it seems that nobody else is going to do that for us at the moment. So if you've ever considered growing vegetables, providing your family with fresh, homegrown, organic fruit and vegetables, then I think this year is the year for you to put that into action, and you've not really got anything to lose. Seeds is cheap, there's always deals on compost. You don't need a huge garden because you can use cheap little planters like that. You can use pots. If you go on Marketplace, the amount of people that are giving away greenhouses. I mean, this greenhouse I'm in at the moment, it's 12 foot by 8 foot. So it's quite a big greenhouse, and I've got two of them. There's one that I'm in now, and there's one at the top of the garden. They were both free. They were both on Marketplace, buy dismantles. That was the only catch. You have to dismantle it, you have to collect it, take it away. Did the work, got it here, put it back together, and now I've got two 12 foot by 8 greenhouses that's cost me nothing except time. So if you want to just pick up something like a little 6x4 greenhouse, they're on there. Just look for them, you will find one, and that will set you up. That will give you your starting point to be growing your vegetables through 2022. And also, if you've got a bit of a garden outside, the pots, the little planters, a small raised bed, anything to get you started. I've been growing plants for quite a long time, a good few years, and I've progressed from one thing to another, and every single year I always look to find something I haven't grown, because then I want to grow that. That's my personal challenge. That's the good thing about doing this. You'll see something and think, I've never grown those before, I'm going to try. And when it works, it then inspires you to do it again. And if you've got no knowledge whatsoever of gardening, that doesn't matter, because channels such as this, we just keep posting and posting videos. And anything, even if it's not something I want to grow personally, I will still get some seeds and I will make a video about it. I will be showing the progress of the seeds that I've sown all the way through the season, right till the end of the year. So you can get tips for free. You can see exactly how things should be done. If there's any mistakes that you're making, if it needs anything more than what you're actually giving that plant. And you can quite easily grow what I grow. So basically the point I was trying to make is, I think in 2022, anybody that ever considered growing things, I think this year is your year to do it and grow yourself some fresh, organic food for you and your family. And just take a bit of the edge off of the price increases in the supermarkets, because we're all feeling that pinch. I only made this channel originally because I wanted to share something with other people. People have inspired me to do what I do and to carry on trying to grow. So I'm just trying to pass that message on to other people, and I'm so grateful for the people so far that have subscribed to this channel. This channel has actually only been going since January, and the fact that people are willing to just click on that subscribe button, watch my videos and take something from it, gives me then the inspiration to carry on and make more videos. When you've got a community building like that, then there's probably going to be never a question that can't be answered. Anything that you need to know about any plant, any subject, any pests, any disease, you're going to find the answers right here. So next time you nip into town, why don't you grab yourself a cheap bag of compost and a couple of planters. Try some lettuce, the easy things to grow. I will guarantee you that once you grow your own lettuce and taste it, you'll never go back to a supermarket for it again. Thank you very much.